Welcome to Z Tech. Today we are going to fix insufficient system resources exist to complete the requested services in Windows 10. So let's start. So the problem is you get insufficient system resources error while installing something. This is because your antivirus is taking so much performance. So we can solve it by simply disable your real-time protection and firewall for an instance. So I have installed Avira antivirus. So I just simply go open it and close a firewall button and real-time protection for some times. After that my process that have insufficient resources is complete. I will switch on the real-time protection and firewall again. So I hope your problem will be solved. Please subscribe my channel Z Tech and thank you for watching. Hope your error will be solved. Thank you. And please subscribe my channel for more videos.